What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my 2023 Yamaha R1 in the black edition, and she is honestly my favorite bike ever. Now let's get into it. You guys clicked on this video so we could go through what mods have I done in my 5 months of ownership. Alright, so let's start off. As you can clearly see, we've done a full exhaust, not full, sorry. In the technical terms would be 3/4 because we still have the stock headers. We went ahead with the M4 link pipe and the SC Projects, real SC Projects muffler. I really like the sound of this. I think it sounds amazing. Really good combo right there. Would I change it? Would I get this exhaust again? Probably, but a part of me would have probably just ordered like a race fit exhaust. You know, you spend a little bit more money, maybe $300 more than what I spent, because I got the SC on sale. Originally it retails for 800 bucks. I got it for about 300, almost brand new. And the M4 link pipe is about, I think, 500. So it's about $800 versus a race fit is probably about 1100. But if you're trying to go on the cheaper route and you kind of want that look still, this is a good combo. The only issue is you're probably not going to find an SC muffler for 300 bucks like I did. So save yourself some time and effort. Just go ahead and probably order a race fit, or I would say race fit because it's cheaper than an SC project. Anyways, moving on. We went ahead and got the Puig windscreen. This is the tall one. I wanted a kind of like a Ducati feel, and that's what we got with this. We went ahead with these red Domino grips. I really like these. I couldn't find them anywhere. Revzilla, Cyclerider, none of them carried it. They carry the all black with the red font, but not the full red with the black font. So I had to order those from eBay. So if you guys want red Domino grips, go on eBay. Next we have the Lighttech bar ends. Really just got these for aesthetic purposes, and also, you know, if the bike falls over, they do their job. So I just wanted some red highlights, and we got some red highlights with that. Go down to the bottom half of the bike. We're going to have new rear sets. If you guys had watched my previous video, you knew that I had, you know, replaced the pegs originally, but we went ahead and pulled the trigger. I came up on a great deal for these, so I got the attack rear sets, which, you know, retail for about $650. So this was a huge come up in my opinion, and did not realize how big of a difference rear sets make. Rear sets make an incredible difference, and it's something honestly I never thought I would get, because I just couldn't justify spending that much money on essentially pegs. Little did I know they are going to make one of the biggest differences on the feel of the motorcycle, and I was already in love with my bike, but now I love it even more because just the way that the rear sets position me into the tank, like, it just feels really good. If you guys don't have any rear sets, recommend getting some. Go with the rear sets and get the most grip out of the bike as I can, as far as my knees and everything. We went ahead and got the tech spec grip pads. Now, when I didn't have these, I was sliding all over the place. I mean, I would hit the brakes and, you know, your legs kind of slide forward and buckle in a way. Super annoying. Ever since I got these, have no issues. And then when you pair that with rear sets that already like kind of holster you and put you into position on the gas tank, like, that's an undefeated combo. Definitely go for it. Love the tech spec grip pads, or tank grip pads. Alright, let's keep moving on here. Alright, we have a carbon fiber rear fender. To be honest, I have no idea what brand it is. Once again, I got a deal on that. I got the attack rear sets, the carbon fender, and the clutch perch and master brake assembly, which I'll go over right now. I got those all in a great deal. So let's go over the switch controls. I have Galespeed front brake master assembly, the full thing, and then we have a Galespeed clutch perch with levers on both ends. Super sick. I don't know if you guys know, but the front brakes on the R1s aren't the greatest. So much power you can put down, but not enough stopping power. So adding the Galespeed front master brake assembly, like, honestly helped it. I do need to upgrade, like, maybe like a rotor or pads to really get the full benefits out of it, but definitely a good upgrade right there. On the rear of the motorcycle, not too much is done. We have some spools. I actually forget what this is. These are driven racing spools. Once again, did this more for aesthetic. And then we went ahead and ordered some tire valve covers from Amazon, off-brand. Just wanted again for the color. All in all, I'm super happy where this bike has been going. On top of that, I actually forgot we added this tail light. Let me go ahead and actually turn it on so you guys can see. So this is what the tail light looks like. I think it looks really aesthetic. In case you guys didn't know, obviously we got rid of the license plate bracket that comes stock on the bike, and added this new one where my license plate is kind of tucked. But let's go ahead and show you the turn signals. Yeah, super clean, super flush. Definitely adding, you know, getting rid of the stock license plate bracket and then adding a tail light really helps the rear end aesthetic. So very important to me. I love aesthetic, and you know, that's why a lot of people buy Ducatis, because they're very pleasing looking bikes. So that's what I'm going for. This, I'm trying to make this as clean as possible and as functional as possible. I don't want to be doing a bunch of dumb stuff. Everything's got to have a reason why it's on the motorcycle. I think that's it. I mean, you can count the hardware. I did add some red hardware for the windscreen, but besides that, I think that's going to be everything on the motorcycle. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I still have a few more plans for the bike. Like, I want to add like a new sprocket. I'll keep that, you know, as a surprise, because I do have enough planned with that. Change the hardware out, a little few things here and there, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with the bike. I don't think I have too much left that I want to do. So we're going to call this Vader V1, and you know, we'll see when it gets to V2. But for now, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Like this video, subscribe down below if you haven't, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.